We are going to make a delicious meal of linguine with shrimp. Now there's a few other ingredients, so we'll take a closer look at those. A total time for making this meal is about 10 to 15 minutes. So what I recommend you do is prep everything carefully and then start cooking. What we have is about 1/3 cup of parsley, fresh parsley, a couple tablespoons of butter, some crushed red peppers, garlic, a pound of deveined but tails on shrimp, 1 lemon, some fresh Parmesan cheese, either a box or a bag of linguine. You'll also need to have olive oil, and I recommend Pinot Grigio. If you have any white wine will work, but a Pinot Grigio would be absolutely perfect. Linguine is now cooking in the boiling water. The pan is hot with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and we are putting in the shrimp. These shrimp will take about a total of 4 minutes to cook. I'm going to cook fairly rapidly, medium-high temperature here. Now everything gets done a little bit al dente because we're going to finish up the dish by mixing the linguine with the shrimps. As soon as the shrimp are ready, or almost ready, you take them out of the frying pan, okay? All the shrimp come out of the pan, and we will see why this happens. As soon as the shrimp come out, you add a little bit more olive oil, and you're going to now add the garlic and the red chili peppers and 1/3 cup of the Pinot Grigio. This is going to make our sauce. You can take the lemon and start with a little bit of zesting of the lemon. And that zesting is going to add a lot of specific flavors. And you don't need too much zest, because as soon as we finish zesting, what we're going to do is cut that lemon in half and add half of a squeezed lemon to the ingredients. So we take a half a lemon, put the shrimp back in, everything's stirring. Our linguine has been in for 10 minutes. Again, now we're not going to colander the linguine. We're simply going to take it out of the boiling water and add it directly to the ingredients in the saute pan. And as soon as we've added, actually the water is going to help, it's already got flavor. And I think I've got pretty much all of my linguine in. Now while we're stirring this all together, we take our parsley and add that into the mixture. Stirring all the combined ingredients. Let's take a closer look at that. And this is the point where you'll want to take a little bit of that butter you've been saving out and put that into the mixture. Doesn't that look great? A quick Italian meal with all of the main ingredients. We have pasta, we have garlic, we've got lemon, we've got shrimp. So very Italian, and I'm going to add a little bit of fresh Parmesan cheese, grate that on, and we will be ready for eating.